Good afternoon, my name is Herein. I work with the Navajo Nation Special Diabetes Program. Today we are actually going to make a really quick snack or like a little side dish, and our dish is called Southwest peas and with corn salad. So today we're actually going to go ahead and get our ingredients together. So first of all, we need our black eyed peas, 2 cans of these, 1 can of corn, supposed to be small onion, but this is what I can find on the shelves, cilantro, and your bell pepper. And for the seasonings, we got our pepper, our chili, salt, and vinegar, including canola oil. Now, as you can see, I have no other cooking materials, nothing like that. We're gonna put it under running water. Reason why is because you want to get all of the starch off of the beans, and then once we do that, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna pretty much put everything all in one bowl. That's how simple it is. This one takes about 30 minutes to make. At the same time, we want to go ahead and clean your bell pepper and your cilantro. Yeah. Now let's go ahead and talk about beans. What is the most healthiest benefits about beans, right? You guys know what's the benefits about beans? Go ahead and pour it in there. So beans there is very helpful, and also it has a lot of fiber. You mean fiber is there to help you stay full throughout the day, and then it has a lot of high nutrition fats too in there. So right here you got the corn. Well, the cool thing about corn is that one of the benefits about corn is that it actually helps with your eyes, with the vessels in your eyes. You mix it all in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean these guys out first. Alright, clean it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with the onions. The pepper. Usually I like to cut off the top. Easy for me to get access to the seeds. So I'll go ahead and put this on the side so you don't have a trash. So for this one, I like to cut them more like in strips. If you let it sit in the refrigerator for like 30 minutes, the flavor will marinate with one another. It'll taste pretty good. But for this one, you don't have to worry about letting it sit in the refrigerator. For this one, because it has the beans, we're talking about fiber, right? So this right here is supposed to keep you more full longer. Now it doesn't matter like what order you put it in, so you can just start off with this one, throw it in there, but this one is optional. You don't have to really say, oh, this is a need, but I like to get it because there's more flavor that comes with it. So it said a medium onion, so I'm only going to cut half of this. Any of you guys allergic to anything? Okay then. You guys starting to smell it now? It's about like a medium onion. And before I start crying, I better hurry up and get it in. So right now, this is how it looks so far. Okay. Now let's go ahead. More color. Yep. They usually say more colors, more healthier for you. Usually when I put all these together, the best thing to do is don't slide it like this. Always use the back end. You don't want to scrape off anything from them. Just gonna go ahead. But if you guys feel like to, you guys can go ahead and add more to it. Now when you guys are putting these ingredients in, best to kind of like do it from the top and let it fall in. Now, I'm putting a little bit of salt in there because I just feel like I don't want to add too much salt to that. And then this one is your spice. This is what gives it more of its flavor. You guys probably can really smell this one, huh? Not yet?
Not yet.
Don't want you guys start sneezing on me then. I don't want to put too much of this one in there. And last but not least, will be this one. This one will take 3. Now the cool thing about this one is the heat that it can take, and then what food that you can use it with this one. There's 1, 2, yeah, almost slipped out of my hand. Then 3. After all that, you can start mixing it. So this is how it looks right now. Show that to the camera. Oh yeah. Now this, like I said, this can be like could be your side dish, or you can actually put this as a taco and get some it's pretty much like your ingredients for tacos on the sides. You can put it in there. So that's how much it is. And because I'm feeling more generous, so I got blue corn chips, and I actually have your regular tortilla chips. So now on here, you look at the food fact. If I give out 11 bread or 11 chip sizes, that should be considered as 1 serving. So there's pretty much, I'm guessing here, this should be 11. Oh, sorry.
Hi there, I'm Cornell Casus. I was driving by. I needed some paperwork done at a local chapter, and they had a food demonstration. Impromptu snack, which is quite tasty, very short prep time, and really not a lot of materials, but quite tasty, and try the recipe for yourself. Thank you.